beard oils and balms, formulating specialized grooming products for men. The modern gentleman understands that a beard is more than just facial hair. It is a statement of style and a commitment to personal grooming. If you have ever wondered why some beards look like they belong on a rugged movie star, while others resemble a tangled bird nest, the secret lies in formulation. Crafting the perfect beard oil or balm is a blend of art and science that transforms a scratchy chin into a soft masterpiece. The foundation of facial hair care. To build a great product, you first have to understand the canvas. Facial hair is significantly coarser than the hair on your head. Furthermore, the skin underneath, known as the submandibular region, is prone to dryness because the sebaceous glands can only produce so much natural oil. When that oil runs out, the beard becomes brittle and the skin starts to itch. This is where your specialized formulations step in to save the day. Why every beard needs beard oil is the absolute baseline for any grooming routine. It is a liquid moisturizer designed to mimic the natural oils produced by the skin. A well-formulated oil should absorb quickly without leaving a greasy residue that makes the user feel like they just ate a bucket of fried chicken. The goal is a healthy shine and a soft texture. The role of the balm. While oil is about hydration, the balm is about control and protection. Think of balm as a functional hybrid between a leave-in conditioner and a light styling wax. It contains the same nourishing oils but adds structural ingredients like butters and waxes. This allows the user to tame flyaway hairs and shape the beard while sealing in moisture for the entire day. Mastering the base carrier oils. The heart of any beard product is the carrier oil. These make up the bulk of your formula and do the heavy lifting when it comes to skin health and hair softening. You want to select oils that offer a balance of vitamins and fatty acids. Jojoba oil. The liquid gold jojoba is technically a liquid wax rather than a true oil. Its chemical structure is incredibly similar to human sebum. This makes it a primary choice for formulations because the skin accepts it readily. It helps regulate oil production and provides a non-greasy finish that feels natural to the touch. Sweet almond oil for softness. If you want a beard that feels like silk, you need sweet almond oil. It is rich in vitamin E and magnesium. It penetrates the hair shaft to strengthen the beard from the inside out. It is also lightweight enough that it won't weigh down thinner beards. Argan oil, the Moroccan miracle. Argan oil is famous for its ability to treat split ends and add a luxurious sheen. In a beard oil formulation, it acts as a premium conditioner. It is packed with antioxidants that protect the hair from environmental damage like sun exposure and urban pollution. Incorporating solid butters for balms. When you transition from oil to balm, you need solids that melt at body temperature. These butters provide the creamy texture and deep conditioning properties that men crave. Shea butter, the heavyweight champion. Shea butter is a gold standard for beard balms. It is incredibly moisturizing and provides a smooth, spreadable consistency. It helps soothe the itchy skin underneath the beard, which is a major pain point for men in the early stages of growth. Cocoa butter. For structural integrity, cocoa butter is harder than shea and adds more firmness to your balm. It has a slight natural scent that pairs beautifully with earthy essential oils. It creates a protective barrier on the hair, which is essential for men living in cold or dry climates. Mango butter for a lighter feel. If you want to create a balm that feels less heavy, mango butter is an excellent alternative. It offers a high concentration of fatty acids, but absorbs faster than shea butter. It provides a velvety finish that doesn't feel overly waxy. The secret ingredient, beeswax. Every great beard balm needs a bit of grip. Beeswax provides the hold necessary to keep a long beard looking neat throughout a busy day. It also acts as a humectant, which means it helps draw moisture into the hair. In your formulation, the ratio of beeswax to butter determines whether the product is a soft conditioning balm or a firm styling wax. The chemistry of scent. Essential oils versus fragrance scent is the first thing a customer notices. However, when formulating for the face, you must be cautious. The skin on the jawline is sensitive and the product sits directly under the nose all day long. Earthy and woodsy profiles. Most men gravitate towards scents that feel grounded. Cedarwood and sandalwood are staples because they provide a warm masculine base. Pine and fir needle offer a crisp outdoor freshness that reminds people of a morning hike in the mountains. Citrus for energy, lemon, bergamot, and grapefruit are fantastic for morning routines. They provide an uplifting energy boost. However, you must ensure these are used in safe concentrations because some citrus oils are phototoxic and can cause skin irritation when exposed to direct sunlight. The spice root, black pepper, clove, and cinnamon can add a sophisticated kick to a beard oil. These should be used sparingly as they are warming oils that can cause a tingling sensation on the skin if the concentration is too high. Formulating for different beard types. One size does not fit all in the world of men's grooming. A man with a 3-day stubble has different needs than a man with a foot-long wizard beard. The stubble starter kit. For short beards, the focus is entirely on the skin. You want a very light oil with high absorption rates. Fractionated coconut oil is a great base here because it is thin and won't clog pores. This prevents the dreaded beard ruff that occurs when the skin gets dry during the initial growth phase. The mid-length maintainer, once the beard hits 2 or 3 inches, it starts to pull moisture away from the face. This is the time for a medium weight oil or a light balm. A blend of jojoba and grapeseed oil works wonders here because it provides enough coverage without making the beard look wet. The long beard warrior. Long beards require serious protection. They are prone to tangles and breakage. For these customers, you want a heavy balm with a higher beeswax content. This keeps the beard looking intentional rather than chaotic. Castor oil is also a great addition to long beard formulas because its thick viscosity adds significant weight and shine. The importance of antioxidants. To keep your products fresh, you need to include vitamin E oil. Beyond its skin benefits, vitamin E acts as a natural preservative for the carrier oils. It prevents them from going rancid over time, which is vital for a product that might sit on a bathroom shelf for 6 months. How to scale your production. If you are moving from a kitchen hobby to a professional brand, consistency is everything. You must measure your ingredients by weight rather than volume. A digital scale ensures that every bottle of beard oil smells and performs exactly the same way. Cleanliness and sterilization. Because these products are applied to the face, hygiene is paramount. All containers should be sanitized and the environment should be dust-free. Using amber or blue glass bottles is also a smart move because it protects the essential oils from light degradation. Marketing your specialized formula. The market for beard products is crowded. To stand out, you need to speak the language of your customer. Use terms like handcrafted, small batch, and nutrient dense. Highlight the fact that your products are free from synthetic silicones and parabens. Modern men are increasingly conscious of the ingredients they put on their bodies. Educational content. Don't just sell a product, sell a result. Write guides on how to apply beard oil correctly. Most men use too much. A few drops are usually enough. Explain the importance of using a boar bristle brush to distribute the balm evenly. When you provide value, you build trust. The ritual of application. Part of the appeal of these products is the ritual itself. There is something meditative about taking a moment in the morning to care for your appearance. Suggest that users apply oil while their beard is slightly damp from the shower. This allows the hair follicles to be open and more receptive to the nutrients. Future trends in beard grooming. We are seeing a shift toward more exotic ingredients. Oils like prickly pear seed and baobab are starting to appear in high-end formulations. These offer unique profiles of vitamins and minerals that differentiate a premium product from a budget one. Additionally, sustainable packaging is becoming a major selling point. Glass bottles and tin containers are preferred over plastic. Conclusion on crafting excellence. Formulating beard oils and balms is about finding the perfect equilibrium between hydration and hold. It requires a deep respect for the ingredients and an understanding of the man who will use them. By selecting high-quality carrier oils, balancing your butters, and creating sophisticated scent profiles, you can develop a line of products that doesn't just look good on a shelf, but actually improves the lives of the men who wear them. Whether it is a rugged woodsman or a sharp-dressed professional, every man deserves a beard that feels as good as it looks. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the journey of a magnificent beard begins with a single drop of well-formulated oil. Keep experimenting and keep refining, because the perfect formula is always within reach.